Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your mobile Roblox account on Xbox. You cannot directly transfer your Roblox account from a mobile device to an Xbox console. It simply does not work that way. Instead, you will log into your existing account directly on the Xbox platform using the same credentials you use on your mobile phone. This method ensures all your progress, Robux, and items are immediately available to you. Think of it as accessing the same cloud-based profile from a new device. Roblox accounts are fundamentally cloud-based. They are not stored on your individual device, like your mobile phone or tablet. Your unique username and password act as the key to your entire digital identity within Roblox. This clever design means you can access your games, purchases, and friends list from any compatible device, without needing to perform any complicated data transfers. It is all about logging in, not moving files, to ensure your continuity. To play Roblox on your Xbox, the very first step is to download the free Roblox application from the Xbox store. Simply navigate to the store, search for Roblox, and install the application onto your console. Make absolutely certain your Xbox is connected to a stable internet connection for smooth gameplay and successful login. This application is the gateway to your entire Roblox universe, ready for you to explore with your existing account. Once the Roblox application is installed and launched on your Xbox, you will see options to either log in or sign up. It is crucial to choose login. Then, carefully enter the precise username and password associated with your existing Roblox account from your mobile device. Double-check your spelling and case sensitivity to prevent any login issues. This simple step connects your Xbox to your established Roblox profile instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.